In this video, we can talk about the connecting links. Connecting links are the living bridges between the two groups. A connecting link demonstrates the characteristics of more than one group. These organisms indicates the transition of characters from one to another group of organisms. Here you can see some of the connecting links which are the evidences for evolution. Viruses, they are the connecting link between living organisms and non-living organisms. Peripatus, it's a walking worm. It is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Balanoglossus, it is a connecting link between chordates and non-chordates. ARCHAEOPTERYX, it is a fossil board identified in 1861 in Bavaria, Germany. It is a connecting link between reptiles and birds. Cycas, it is a connecting link between pteridophytes and gymnosperms. Echidna, it is a connecting link between reptiles and mammals. EUGLENA, it is a connecting link between mammals and plants. Netum, it is a connecting link between gymnosperms and angiosperms. Hornworts, it is a connecting link between protista and fungi. Neopilina, it is a connecting link between Annelida and mollusca. Ornithorhynchus, it is a duck-billed platypus. It is a connecting link between reptiles and mammals. Proterospongia, it is a connecting link between protozoa and porifera. Protopterus, it's a lungfish. It is a connecting link between bony fishes and amphibia. Xenoturbella, it is a connecting link between protozoa and metazoa. Trochophore larva, it is a connecting link between Annelida and mollusca. Tornaria larva, it is a connecting link between echinoderms and chordates. Spinodon, a living fossil found in New Zealand. It is a connecting link between amphibia and reptilia. CHIMAERA, it is a connecting link between amphibia and reptiles. Latimeria, it is identified in 1838. It is a connecting link between fishes and amphibia. And Myxomycetes, it is a connecting link between protista and fungi. Actinomycetes, it is a connecting link between bacteria and fungi. CHIMAERA, it is a connecting link between cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes. Club mosses, they are the connecting link between bryophytes and pteridophytes. Ctenophora, they are the connecting links between coelenterates and platyhelminthes. Here you can see the connecting links are the living bridges between the two evolutionary groups. Connecting links are those living organisms which exhibit the characteristics of two different evolutionary groups. A connecting link may be the living organism, whereas the missing link was an extinct form or a fossil form. Fossils are the written documents for evolution in which the story of evolution was written. The fossils which are found in the deeper layer, they are older. The fossils which are found in the upper layer, they are to be the modern fossils. Here you can see connecting links is a living bridge between two groups. They explain the path of evolution. Here you can see the Archaeopteryx. It is a fossil board, shows both reptilian and avian characters, whereas Peripatus is a living fossil, a link between Annelida and Arthropoda. I have developed a mnemonic, that is APPSC, Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, ends with basic protocol. But my idea here is the APPSC means Archaeopteryx, Peripatus, Proterospongia, CHIMAERA, EUGLENA, NEOPILINA, DIPNOI fishes or lungfishes, viruses, Balanoglossus, and Prototheria. These are the important connecting links. They show the characteristics of two or more important evolutionary groups. Here, Archaeopteryx, it is a connecting link between the birds and reptilia, whereas the Peripatus is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Proterospongia, it is a connecting link between PORIFERA and PROTOZOA. CHIMAERA, it is a connecting link between bony fishes and cartilaginous fishes, whereas EUGLENA, it is a connecting link between plants and animals. NEOPILINA, Neopilina. It is a connecting link between mollusca and annelida, whereas dipnoi fishes are lungfishes. They are the connecting link between the fishes and amphibians. Viruses, they are the connecting link or connecting bridge in between the living organisms and non-living organisms. Balanoglossus, it is a connecting link between the chordates and non-chordates, whereas the prototheria, the primitive egg-laying mammals, they are the connecting link between reptilia and mammals. Here you can see the mnemonic in a better way. A means ARCHAEOPTERYX, P means peripatus, PS means PROTEROSPONGIA, C means CHIMAERA, E means EUGLENA, N means NEOPILINA, D means DIPNOI fishes or lungfishes. Pith means, here you are pronouncing V, that's why it is a virus. Virus is a connecting link between living organisms and non-living organisms. And basic means Balanoglossus, it is a connecting link between chordates and non-chordates. Prototheria, it is a connecting link between the reptiles and mammals. Here, virus is the connecting link between living organisms and non-living organisms. It is crystallized like organic and inorganic forms, do not grow in size, unable to respond to external stimuli if they are devoid of living things. If they are not present in the living things, they never show any the living forms. They are crystallized as like organic and inorganic forms, do not grow in size, unable to respond to external stimuli. If they are present in living system, they can reproduce, they show mutations, they show recombination and heritability. This is the characteristics of the virus if they are present in living organisms. Next one is dipnoi fishes. Dipnoi fishes are also called as lungfishes. Romer, an American paleontologist, he called these fishes as uncles of amphibians because the amphibians evolved from the fishes. They are the connecting link between fishes and amphibians. They show discontinuous distribution. Here you can see there are three forms of lungfishes. One is Neoceratodus. It is present in Australia, in Queensland. Lepidosiren. It is present in Amazon River in South America. Protopterus, it is called as Nile fish, present in South Africa. What are the important fish features of the dipnoi fishes is they are fish-like body, presence of paired fins, the appearance of dermal scales, presence of gills. Amphibian features is the presence of internal nostrils. Air bladder is modified into lung. Air bladder is modified into lung. That's why it is called as a lungfish. Heart with imperfectly divided auricle. Proterospongia. It is a connecting link between protozoa and porifera. It is a colonial protozoan. It shows the cells similar to choanocytes or collar cells of the sponges. It is a living bridge in between the protozoa and porifera. Here you can see the next one is the peripatus. It is a connecting link between the arthropoda and annelida characters. It shows the presence of thick cuticle. The arthropodan characters are the presence of thick cuticle, the presence of simple eyes, excretory organs are nephridia. Here, the annelidan characters are the presence of thick cuticle, presence of simple eyes, excretory organs are nephridia. The arthropodan characters are the presence of antenna, respiratory organs are trachea, presence of pseudo-segmented clawed walking legs. Peripatus is a connecting link or connecting bridge in between arthropoda and annelida. Next one is Neopilina. It is a connecting link between annelida and arthropoda. Annelida features the presence of procophore larva, metameric segmentation, and eggs divided by spiral cleavage. Molluscan features is the presence of shell and mantle, the presence of flat muscular foot, presence of soft and dorso-ventrally flattened body. The molluscan features is the presence of shell and mantle, presence of flat muscular feet meant for locomotion, presence of soft and dorso-ventrally flattened body. EUGLENA. It is a connecting link between plants and animals. What are the plant features? You can see the presence of chlorophyll and chloroplast, holotypic or autotrophic nutrition it shows. The animal features are the body is covered by pellicle as like animal, reproduction is like animals. That's why the euglena, it is a connecting link between the plants and the animals. The ARCHAEOPTERYX, I have already told that ARCHAEOPTERYX is a fossil board. It is a connecting link between the reptiles and birds. It shows both reptilian and avian characters. That means board characters. It is a fossil board discovered in 1861 by Alfred Wagner in Bavaria in Germany, in Europe. Here, what are the ARCHAEOPTERYX lithographica shows both reptilian features as well as avian features. The reptilian features here is the jaws with homodont teeth. The teeth are similar in nature. Bones are non-pneumatic. They are not filled with the gas. The amphicoelous vertebrae, sternum weak or absent. Scales are present. The avian features, the presence of feathers, and the forelimbs are modified into wings meant for flying. Beak is present. V-shaped furcula is seen. V-shaped furcula is seen. Bones of limbs and girdles are board-like. The CHIMAERA, it is a connecting link between cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes. It shows both features, that cartilaginous features as well as bony fish features. The bony fish features here is mouth is small and fleshy lips, gills 4 pairs, cloaca absent, teeth fused and form tooth plates that join the jaws. The cartilaginous fish features is cartilaginous endoskeleton, mouth ventral, dorsal fins are 2 in number, placoid scales are present in the young ones. Here, next one is, the last one is the Prototheria. Prototheria is the primitive mammalian the subclass. Here, Prototheria, it is a connecting link between reptilia and mammals. The best example, it includes only monotremates. Here, the Ornithorhynchus or duck-billed platypus and Tachyglossus, that is spiny anteater, they are oviparous in nature. Generally, they are oviparous, egg-laying mammals. The only animals they can lay the eggs. That's why they are called as oviparous in nature. No pinna or external ear is seen. No nipples or teeth are seen. No marsupial pouch is seen. No placenta. Placenta is completely absent. That is the characteristic feature of the mammals that is absent in Prototheria. Mammary glands are seen. Here you can see the distinct feature of the Prototheria is the mammary glands are well developed both in both males and females. That's why it shows gynecomastism. Gynecomastism means both the mammals, both male and female, shows the mammary glands and they fed their young ones. That's why such a feature, what you call as gynecomastism, is seen in Prototherians, and cloaca is also seen. These are the distinct features of the Prototheria. It is a connecting link between reptilia and mammals. Thank you for watching. You can see in next video also.